Happy Friday morning, everyone. Today is May 29th. Time for the daily situation briefing. No current or expired alerts. National Terrorism Advisory System. Look around the region. Number of detainees in the Rio Grande Valley hasn't changed since Monday. On the 26th, we received DR 4222 for Oklahoma. And currently, we're still waiting for an update for the IA PDAs. But the last we know, 3 counties were completed in Oklahoma, and all of Oklahoma was complete. Texas has 2 counties complete. In PA, 13 counties are ongoing. In Arkansas, Oklahoma has 38 counties ongoing total. 17 have been completed. And Texas, 5 have been completed of the 38 requested. Also, no FMAGs have been requested in the last 24 hours. Taking a look around the region. See, for the IMATs, we have 1 standing by here at the region. 1's in training in Alabama. And 1 has been deployed to Oklahoma supporting 4222 as well as current operations. The state operations centers, Arkansas went to level 3 as of this morning. Louisiana and New Mexico remain at level 4. Oklahoma is also at level 3. With Comanche County, the water has been receding, and so far, as of about 8 o'clock last night, the locals have reported about over 100 homes have received flood damage. And in Texas, they remain at level 1 with FEMA liaisons there with the state. And today's threat, they'll be monitoring the Upper Red River, the Upper Trinity, and the Brazos. As far as shelters, Oklahoma has 2. Total population overnight was 11. Texas reports 9 shelters with 234 occupants, which I'd like to note also that is different from the NSS, the National Shelter Service. Those reports differ from the state, so maintain that for your situation awareness. For power, Oklahoma reports about 2,000, that's Eagle Eye, and in Texas, LNOs and SITREP report 12 to 13,000. And again, Eagle Eye differs by showing about 31,500 this morning. Well, with as much as going on, we'll turn it over to Jen with the National Weather Service, who will keep us apprised of the current situation. Jen?
Thank you, and good morning. I kind of want to talk about what happened overnight, and then we'll get into the forecast a little bit. You can see there on radar what's left in eastern Oklahoma and east and south Texas of that line of showers and thunderstorms that moved through. We did have some mostly wind reports over central and west central Texas, gusty winds, damage here and there. We did have a report of a tornado over in Lynn and Borden, Texas, so northwest Texas, but not getting any reports of any damage there. I think the biggest impact we saw overnight was actually east of Dallas, where they had about 5 to 7 inches of rainfall fall just east of the city. And we did see the Trinity was mentioned, and what we are seeing as far as the Trinity goes in Dallas is that it's rising back into major stage at that point in Dallas. We had reports of water on I-35. We had some water in and around the Dallas Love Field area, and that Trinity River at Dallas is expected to rise to 43 feet, which is 3 feet above what we saw on Sunday into Monday. So the impacts that we saw on Sunday into Monday in the Dallas area could be greater as the river continues to rise today and into later tonight. So if we go to the next slide, what we are looking at for the next several days, those showers and thunderstorms are going to remain in place over north central Texas and Oklahoma today. We'll have chances of rain throughout the day. The focus of the severe storms will likely be over in the panhandles in northwest Texas again, but we'll have some stronger storms be moving through all of North Texas and Oklahoma throughout the day. And then the focus really shifts tonight into the Red River Valley and in areas of all areas of North Texas as another line of showers and thunderstorms sets up late tonight, and this is going to last through the overnight hours. That heavy rain in South Oklahoma, North Texas, along the Red River, where we're already seeing flooding, major flooding. So this could be a serious impact overnight tonight. And then as we head into the weekend, we aren't looking at a whole lot of severe weather over the weekend, but the storms are going to continue. They are going to be shifting eastward, though. So Saturday, the threat of the heavy rain shifts mostly into Arkansas, North Louisiana, and east and south central Texas. And then on Sunday, it's going to shift even further to over coastal Texas and Louisiana. We are looking at some showers and storms to continue on Monday and Tuesday over southern Louisiana, southeast Texas, but it looks like the activity is diminishing as we head into early next week. But I left the threat there for the weekend, even though we aren't seeing a whole lot of amounts. That area, especially around Houston, with continued rainfall, is just going to impact the area further that's already seen flooding. So we're leaving the threat relatively higher this weekend for that reason. So if we go to the next slide, pretty large area of the showers and thunderstorms today. We have the ongoing ones that you saw on the radar, that those chances are going to continue pretty much throughout that whole area, basically the eastern half of the region this morning. And then I've highlighted that area centered around the Red River Valley for later tonight into Saturday morning as the showers and thunderstorms set up and heavy rainfall is possible all throughout this area that's already seeing ongoing flooding. So the Red River is definitely a concern as we head into tonight, tomorrow morning. And then pretty widespread showers and thunderstorms expected tomorrow. You can see in the upper right-hand corner, basically the southern half and eastern portions of the region. Not looking for severe, but the threat of continuing rainfall over areas that saw significant flooding over the last several weeks. And then that area of storms moves over Louisiana and coastal Texas by Sunday. And then you can see there in the bottom graphic by Monday and Tuesday, remaining in place over South Louisiana, Southeast Texas, but the rainfall amounts do look to be less. If you go to the next slide, the current river status, all of these are being updated currently, but I think the one we're keeping an eye on this morning is the Trinity River at Dallas, and then moderate to major flooding continues across most of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana as well. So we'll keep you updated on the specific river basins as the forecasts are updated this morning. If you go to the next slide, the drought monitor, this is the one that was released yesterday. You can see continued significant improvement over Oklahoma and especially like the Wichita Falls area where the drought has pretty much been eliminated. The next slide. Space weather does remain rather quiet through the weekend, and that is all I have unless there's any questions.
Thank you, Jen. Anyone has any questions for Jen, the National Weather Service? Type in the chat window or speak up if you're on the phone. That will continue on. In today's trivia, of the following, which kills the most people each year? Floods. We all know that one. There's a picture from the DFW area yesterday. Let's conclude today's briefing. Again, if you have any questions, please type in the chat window or speak up if you're on the phone. Hearing none and seeing none, have a good day and a great weekend. Turn around.